Experience a professional culinary storage system designed by chefs for chefs. Our modern minimalist design is versatile from home to kitchen, cooking demos, and chefs on the move. Our knife bag is abrasion resistant and water resistant. All materials are built heavy duty. Meet the Chef Knife Slinger X2 Backpack, our OG slinger bag upgraded and made better. Designed with practical use in mind, this reliable knife carrier is made with reinforced double stitching and heavy-duty zippers to last through those years of kitchen wear and tear. Keeping size in mind for easy transport without the bulk, this chef knife backpack measures 17.9 inches tall and 12.4 inches wide. You won't have to worry about leaving your favorite knives at home. It also features two inner panels that fold out to gain easy access for all your kitchen essentials and safety straps to keep all your tools in the right place. The interior panels also feature a special spot for your cleaver and honing rod, and a large mesh pocket for those small accessories. This premium backpack is perfect for cooks and chefs looking to simplify and organize their carry needs. It comes with over 20 pockets for your knives, utensils, honing rods, and pens. Plus, we added a zippered pouch for those extra tools. It also comes with spacious compartments for your notebooks, spices, menus, recipe books, cutting boards, electronics, and more. You can now bring your kitchen core essentials to work in just one bag. Coming in multiple colors, the Chef Knife Slinger X2 Backpack is a kitchen favorite for professionals and students.